our bubbles. Why? Kendra, ask her.
Nice.
Oh, those are my bubbles.
My bubbles.
Shake it.
I could wear it like this.
That's just so.
Oh my god.
So revealing.
So bony.
Connor, put this on. Take your pants off right
I
now.
look like Jeffree Star.
Take your
Take your
pants off.
pants
Okay, I will. I'll do it on myself. Is your mom gonna walk in something?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I would
No,
take
she
you off
won't.
so much.
Take your pants off. Take them off.
Can I change them?
No, you can't. Take your pants off right now.
Give me it. Give me the skirts.
First thing is that.
No. Don't look at me.
Connor, that's what you eat.
No, I don't. I don't.
You look like me.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna tuck it in.
Can I tuck the shirt in?
No, this is not going on Facebook. If this goes on Facebook, Kendra, I'll kill
Let me
you.
tuck it in,
It's
Connor.
not going on Facebook.
No, I don't like it tucked in.
No, it looks better tucked in.
Ugh. I look like a flight attendant. Welcome aboard American Airlines. My tits are hanging out.
Take a picture of us. Take a picture
Welcome
of
to
us.
Costco. I love you.
Welcome to Costco. I'm gonna help you. Here, get a picture of all of us.
Oh my god.
But you have to look me up.
You're underwear.
I can't do that. You can't. It's sweaty. I can't lift you up. You can see it in your skirt.